master bedroom. It's really a huge room. It's hard to see the size with the house being unfurnished. Got his and hers closets. And the master bathroom. Bedroom 3. Really big bedrooms. Bedroom 2. The common bath for the main level. Double vanities. Big tub. Tiled in. A formal living room. And then the formal dining room. It's almost a combination, but they are separated. Both rooms are very big. Good looking hardwood floors. Great kitchen. Beautiful cabinets. Another very large room, the great room. Good looking hardwoods. Takes you into this nice brick fireplace. Outside you have a big open deck. Huge private backyard. It's the end of the street. There's a 2-car garage in the basement, plus this main level parking area where there's enough room for 2 cars to park here with no problems.